Proclamation House reflects the proportions and vernacular of Subiaco's historic cottages, respecting the past while embracing modernity. Its expansive, angular planes reinterpret traditional forms with fresh abstraction, while olive-hued jute cladding seamlessly integrates the home into its natural surroundings. Framed by two native peppermint trees, the understated charm of the facade belies the dynamic spatial journey within. From the outside, the home appears as a single-story structure with clean lines that evoke a sense of simplicity yet elegance. As you approach the home, you will begin to notice how the abstract, sloping roof blends harmoniously with the dynamic geometric forms. The entrance is simple yet bold, leading visitors through a carefully laid out pathway. Small elements such as oxidized concrete textures and stainless steel details introduce the material palette that will be found throughout the home. The home begins to deepen as soon as you walk through the door. The combination of natural materials and thoughtful spatial layout immediately invites curiosity. To further personalize the interior, State of Kin has assembled a mix of historic and contemporary furnishings, locally commissioned items, and layered artworks. This combination adds softness and depth to the minimalist aesthetic, delineating distinct zones while maintaining a harmonious flow. Every detail reflects a timeless design philosophy, ensuring the home ages gracefully with its occupants. Directly behind the home, the internal garden is a central element that ties the entire space together. From the upper floors, a trip to the roof of Proclamation House is another experience that connects the architecture with its surroundings. The roof is not only an aesthetic element, but also a functional space that invites its occupants to enjoy the surrounding views. With its distinctive pitched roof design, the area offers expansive views of the internal garden and the Subiaco neighborhood, providing a new perspective on the beauty of the home. The moment you reach the roof, the atmosphere is calming. The minimalist design still inserts warmth through natural wood elements and touches of green from strategically placed potted plants. Here, the gentle breeze and gentle sunlight create a calming atmosphere, making the rooftop a great place to relax or gather with family. From a certain angle, you can look down, where there is the Airpria pool. This pool not only functions as an aesthetic element, but also brings coolness to the entire house. The air that reflects the sky and the shadow of the peppermint tree gives a harmonious impression between architecture and nature. From above, you can see how the landscape design around the pool is carefully designed, using natural stone and tropical plants to strengthen the sense of connection with nature. Bedrooms are designed as private retreats. Natural materials like warm walnut and stone elements add textural dimension to the bedrooms, while thoughtful furnishings, like soft upholstered beds and custom-made side tables, create a personal and timeless feel. Recessed lighting adds a dramatic touch at night, creating an intimate and calming atmosphere. Bathing areas are designed to be a relaxing experience, with large glass showers that take advantage of natural light from tall windows. Some bathrooms even overlook small gardens, creating a direct connection to nature and providing a refreshing bathing experience. Freestanding tubs with modern designs take center stage, offering the perfect place to relax. The roof design that is directly connected to the pool creates a unique vertical experience. Imagine the moment when residents sit on the roof while enjoying the aerial view below, accompanied by the sound of gurgling air that adds to the calm atmosphere. In this spatial arrangement, the roof is not only a place of shelter, but also a social space that expands the dimensions of life at home. With a subtle yet bold design approach, Proclamation House guides you on a journey from its humble exterior to its interior's rich in light, texture, and warmth. This house is not only designed as a place to live, but also as a space that can bring intimacy, inspiration, and harmony to everyday life.